Internships are valuable for both research experience and networking, but balance with academics and course skills even matters more. So, hi everyone, this is Antika, a third year biomajor student at IISER Berhampur. And if you are coming to IISER and willing to know what internships are all about, how to gain hands-on experience or get career defining internships or global opportunities, then this video is just for you, because over the next few minutes I am going to talk about all about how to apply for an internship and walk you through all the top institute internship programs, where you can apply, where not, and how to apply, what should you do for that, and many more. So let's begin. So पहली बात यह है कि तुम्हारा एक CV बनाओ. Whatever your academic CGPA or SGPA be, I personally feel that you should add your CPI or SPI in your CV, and you must change your CV per semester and make a new one, because other than the skills that you have and you are adding to your CV, you firstly need to add your CPI or SPI, but this is not mandatory. This is what I am saying personally, because that's the only thing your professor, whoever you are approaching to, is getting to know about yourself. So besides all the skill and your of course skills matters more, and your experience, the lab experience or whatever experience you do have, that matters. But along with all of this, I think that keeping your SPI or CPI in your CV is another important part, and you should do it to let the professor know what kind of a student you are. So that's the very first thing that you should do. So for making your CV, you can use templates from Canva or any other apps that you are familiar to. But I will suggest as much as I know, that 90% of the professors do prefer a black and white CV. So there are a few people, I am one of them, who likes colorful things, and the first CV I made for myself, it was of brown, yellow and white. It was a combination of this, but as the days passed, I talked to the professors, I got to know from a few of the seniors and from a few of the PhD scholars also, that they are saying that professors prefer black and white CV maximum of the time. So it's better you are not going for a colorful one and you are making a black and white CV, because that looks more professional. So considering yourself as a new student and maybe you have not yet come to IISER, so considering yourself like a student like that, let me start from the very beginning. So let's say you do not know anything about the internships. The first thing I want to say you is about the internships that you can apply inside the IISER itself. So first thing, if let's say you're from IISER Berhampur and you are a first year student, so you can start approaching your professors from your institute, and the professor whose topic you are interested in. So that is basically not through a mail. But if you want to keep that more official, then you can mail that professor and then reach out to him and talk to him physically, that you have an interest on that particular topic and you want to work with him or under him in his lab. That is the very basic thing, that you can approach the professors of your institute only and talk to them. Now next comes, let's say you are a student of IISER Mohali and you want to pursue your internship from IISER Pune. So if that's the case, then different IISERs have different portals through which you can apply for the for a summer internship or a winter internship. Now IISER Berhampur do not have that portal yet. So other students who are coming to IISER Berhampur for an internship program, they are coming through a mail. They are directly mailing the professor whose work they choose and they want to work at. So they are mailing those professors and having the conversation with them through the mail, and then coming to IISER Berhampur. So IISER Berhampur do not have any portal for the other students to apply for an internship, but IISER Kolkata, IISER Pune, IISER Mohali, they do have the portals. So if you are a student from any other IISERs, so or even if you are a student from IITs or CCMB or IICT, so if you are a student from there also, then also you can you can apply through the portal, and that is based on they will select not everyone will be selected through the portal. But one thing is, if it's through the portal, then you don't have to pay. Maybe you will only have to pay for the food and for the accommodation, but not for the work you are doing. because in other cases, let's say कि you are applying from IISER Mohali to any of the other institutes, let's say कि CCMB, then you will have to pay for the work you are doing, like you are working in the lab, and for that you will have to pay. For food you will have to pay separately, and for accommodation also you'll have to pay separately. So that's a different case. That is, you are reaching out to them through a mail and you have been selected, like the professor has told you that you can come and do your internship here under, like in my lab, under my PhD students or something like that. So in that case you will have to pay whatever they ask for. But if it's through a portal, then it's free. They're like, you don't have to pay for at least working in the lab. IISER students, there are only two times when the students can apply for the internship and do the internship, which is the winter internship and the summer internship. But in winter you'll get a max to max of 2 to 3 weeks, not even 4 weeks, and in summer you'll get of 60 days. So basically maximum of the students choose to get an internship during the summer, and a few of the students do also apply through a portal for a workshop, because the workshops are mainly of 2 weeks or hardly 3 weeks, not more than that. So that people do during the winter. They apply through portal or reach out to any of the professors, but maximum of the professors deny to let them work in their lab, because within a very short period, like of 2 to 3 weeks, it's not possible for any of the student to get an idea of the work, or to they are not going to understand a bit of that work. So it's better, and like they always deny, saying it's a very short time of period, and within this period you're not going to learn much of it. So it's better if you apply in summer and do the same thing in the summer. 95% of the students do apply in summer, and maybe 10 to 20% to apply in the winter as well. But IISERs do have their IICM, inter IISER cultural meet and inter IISER sports meet in the winter only. So 60% of the students just go there only. Like 30% is going to IICM and 30% is going to IISM. So after that, who are left from that, only 10 to 20% go for a workshop or maybe a short-term internship, like that. So now it's up to you what you want to choose and what not. All these internships include a certificate and maybe a presentation from your side. So our certificate is a must. The main thing that you're getting from the internship, because you can add it in your next CV. Like you will have to change your CV per semester. So because you'll learn new skills in every semester, right? So you need to add that in your CV as well, and your CPA, SPA will definitely change in every semester. So that is another thing that you will have to add. So you'll have to change your CV, and there you can add the skill of your last year's internship experience. So a certificate is a proof of that. So you'll get it from each and every IISER, not only IISERs, wherever you are doing the internship from, be it IITs or whatever, you will get the certificate if you have done it properly and submitted the report as well, or the presentation, whatever the professor asks from you. Now if you ask about the timing, like when should you apply for the internship or start mailing them, because not everyone is going to get the internship opportunity through the portal. A few number of students will get the opportunity, but the rest will not. So for the rest, another thing is mailing the professor directly in the mail ID. Just let's say you are willing to mail a professor from IISER Mohali. So go to IISER Mohali's website, check the professors, check their works, read